Dr. Nigel Clarke will be stepping down as Jamaica's Minister of Finance and the Public Service to take up the position of Deputy Managing Director at the IMF on October 31st, 2024. What is the IMF? The IMF, or International Monetary Fund, is like a big helper for countries around the world. Imagine it as a giant piggy bank that countries can turn to when they need money to solve problems or improve their economies. The IMF helps countries make smart choices about their money so they can grow and become stronger. Where is the IMF headquarters? The IMF's headquarters is in Washington, D.C. in the United States. It's like the main office where important decisions are made and where they help countries with their money matters. Will Mr. Clarke have to move? Yes, Mr. Clarke will have to move to Washington, D.C. because that's where the IMF is located. He will be working there in his new role as the Deputy Managing Director, helping many countries with their money and economic issues. What does this mean for Jamaica? For Jamaica, Mr. Clarke's new job at the IMF is a big deal. It means that Jamaica will have a strong voice in the international community. It's like having a talented friend who helps solve big problems on a global scale. Although Mr. Clarke will be moving to another country, Jamaica will still benefit from his work because he will be helping other countries make good choices with their money. Jamaica can benefit from Mr. Clarke's work at the IMF in a few ways. By helping other countries manage their money and solve economic problems, Mr. Clarke contributes to a more stable and prosperous global economy. This stability can benefit Jamaica by creating a healthier environment for trade and investment. With Mr. Clarke in a high position at the IMF, Jamaica gains more visibility and influence in international financial discussions. This can lead to better relationships and more support from other countries and international organizations. Mr. Clarke's role at the IMF means he will be learning and sharing advanced financial strategies and solutions. This knowledge can be valuable to Jamaica's own economic policies and strategies, potentially leading to improved economic management at home. His position will allow him to build connections with leaders and experts from around the world. These connections can open doors for Jamaica to collaborate on international projects and receive support for its own development goals.